Vast amount of data sent as input in LLMs determine the quality of response the model will output to the users. Handling large quantities of data has issues like computational complexity, data quality, and noise. The 10K analysis approach solves this. It allows for a comprehensive understanding of the data while minimizing computational resources and processing time. The basic idea behind 10K analysis is to randomly sample a subset of documents from larger corpus and perform an initial exploratory analysis on the representative sample. Let's go to the code walkthrough. We first install Llama Index and then set up the OpenAI environment. We also include the required libraries and modules. The OpenAI environment is set up by using an API key. We are using large language model of GPT 3.5 Turbo. We retrieve the data sources for both the datasets. Then we build their separate indices and we build the query engine. Now it's time to query the data source and get our answers. The first question is compare and contrast the customer segments and geographies that grew the fastest. The main query is divided into four subqueries, which are answered separately. The final response is created by merging the responses of the subqueries. We can see the final response is the amalgamation of the answers that we got in the subqueries. The next question is compare revenue growth of Uber and Lyft from 2020 to 2021. This main query is broken down into four questions which are asked to the data source. We get the values which are retrieved from the data source, and the final answer shows it. Lyft's revenue increased by this value and Uber's revenue increased by this value during the same period. The approach of 10K analysis can be used to train chatbots with petabytes of data from domains like customer support, legal, healthcare, digital libraries, academic repositories, etc.